everyone, I am going to explain question number 16 from exercise 3.3 from class 11th maths. So you can see the question number 16 which I wrote here. So in question number 16, we'll start by the left hand side. So first I am going to write down the left hand side. Our left hand side is cos 9x minus cos 5x. Cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x. So students, to solve it we need to use two formulas. The formulas I am explaining here inside. The formulas are, because we have here cos minus cos, so the first formula which we are going to use is c minus c. For c minus c, the formula is minus 2 as s. The meaning of this formula is, if we have cos x minus cos y, that time the formula is minus 2 sin x plus y upon 2 and then sin x minus y upon 2. The second formula which we are going to use is s minus s, and for s minus s the formula is 2cs. The meaning of this formula is, when the question is in the form of sin x minus sin y, that time we have to use the formula 2 cos x plus y upon 2 and then sin x minus y upon 2. So I hope this both formulas are clear to you. This formula I already explained when I had to explain. I made already a video in which I explained all the formulas. That time I explained it. So just if you want to understand all the formulas, you can go through with that video, and from there I gave the tricks also how to learn the formulas. So from that learn it and then come to this question. So this question will be very clear to you. So according to this formula I am going to use both the formulas. So for c minus c, the formula is minus 2 sin x plus y, means sum of angle divided by 2, then sin difference of angle divided by 2. So here first I am writing this division line, then minus 2. So we have to write down here minus 2, then sin sum of angles, that's why 9x plus 5x divided by 2, then sin difference of angle, so 9x minus 5x divided by 2. So in this I put the value is minus 2 sin sum of angle divided by 2, then sin difference of angle divided by 2. So I hope this formula is clear to you. Here the angles are 9x and 5x. Now down we have to use the formula 2 cos sum of angle divided by 2, then sin difference of angle divided by 2. So we will start to here to use the formula, first 2, then cos sum of angles. Sum of angles, so what are the angles here? 17x and 3x. So 17x plus 3x divided by 2, then sin difference of angles, that's why 17x minus 3x divided by 2. Now we will solve this. Put a equal to sign, then draw a long division line, then minus 2 sin, this minus 2 sin. Now when we will add it, how much we will get here? 14x. So 14x upon 2, so that 14x upon 2, that's why 14x upon 2, then again this sign, then 9x minus 5x is how much? 4x. So we will write here 4x upon 2. Now in down, 2 cos 17 plus 3 is 20. So 2 cos 20 x upon 2, then sine 17x minus 3x is how much? 14x. So 14x upon 2. Now we'll simplify it. We'll cancel them whatever we can. So when we'll cancel here, how much will come here? 7x, and here is 2x. So first we'll draw the long division line, then minus 2 sine. When we'll divide it, how much will come? 7x. So 7x. When we'll divide it, how much will come? 2x. So sine 2x. Now here this 2 as it is, cos as it is, 20 upon 2 is 10. So that is 10x. Then 14x upon 2 is 7x. So sine 7x. So this sine 7x and this sine 7x will cancel each other. So we are remained with minus 2 sine 7x divided by 2 cos 10x. Now this 2 and 2 will also cancel. So that will give us only minus sine 7x divided by cos 10x. That is our right hand side. So that's it. So it's true. So we'll write down here. Hence, so it's completed. I hope this question is clear to you. So in this question, students, this formula is very important. Cos x minus cos y. So if cos are in difference, cos x minus cos y, that time minus 2 ss. So minus 2 ss means first sum of angle upon 2, then difference of angle upon 2. Now here, when sine are in minus, sin x and sin y, that time cos will come first. So 2 cos and then sine. So here also sum of angle divided by 2 and difference of angle divided by 2. And I hope this question is clear to you. Further, if you have any problem, you can write in comments so that I can clear out. Thank you. Hello students, I am going to explain question number 17 from exercise 3.3 from 11th class maths. As you can see, we have to prove this result. Sin 5x plus sin 3x equal to divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x equal to tan 4x. So we'll start to prove it by the left hand side. So first I already wrote the left hand side. So we have to prove this result. So we are going to use the formula in this. So first I am writing the formulas here. The formulas are, because we have here sine plus sine, so the formula is going to be s plus s. So for s plus s, the formula is 2sc. Means the meaning of s plus s is equal to 2sc is, if we get a question like this, sin x plus sin y, then we have to use the formula to sin sum of angles, that is x plus y upon 2, and then cos difference of angles, that is x minus y upon 2. So s is for sin and c is for cos. So sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin, the sum of angle divided by 2, then cos difference of angle divided by 2. So this is the first formula which we need in the numerator, and in denominator we need the formula of cos, that is, I am just going to erase it. The short form of formula is c plus c is equal to 2cc. The meaning of this formula is cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos sum of angle divided by 2, then difference of angles divided by 2. Wherever cc is there, fill it by cos. So cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos sum of angles divided by 2, then cos difference of angle divided by 2. So these two formulas we are going to use in this question. So learn it. Now we are going to write down the formula. So sin plus sin. So what is the sin plus sin formula? 2 sin then cos. So 2 then sin sum of angles. So 5x plus 3x divided by 2, then cos difference of angles. So difference of angles means 5x minus 3x divided by 2. Divided by again 2. Now cos plus cos. So when cos plus cos we have to use 2 cos cos. So 2 cos sum of angles, that is 5x plus 3x divided by 2. Then again cos difference of angles. So 5x minus 3x divided by 2. Now here students, this 2 and 2 will cancel each other. So in next step I am not going to write it. Then long division line. So only sine. 2 I already told, 2 and 2 will cancel. So sine sum of angles. So 5x plus 3x is how much? 8x. So 8x upon 2. So we'll write here 8x divided by 2. Then cos 5x minus 3x is 2x divided by 2. Now down, cos 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8x divided by 2. Then cos 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2x divided by 2. Now we'll divide the angles. Sine as it is, 8x upon 2x is 4x. So we'll get here sine 4x. Now 2x and 2 divided by, so we will get only x. So we write here cos x. 4 divided by, we'll get after dividing cos 4x and then only cos x. So cos x and cos x will cancel. That will remain with sine 4x and cos 4x, that is tan 4x. So we'll get here tan 4x, which is our right hand side. So we obtained that left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. So this question is true. So hence true. So I hope this question is clear to you. So in this question, these two formulas, that is s plus s is 2sc and c plus c is 2cc. Now here to fill it is very simple. In the left hand side only write down x and y. In the right hand side, with first trigonometry ratio, sum of angles divided by 2 at both place, and with second trigonometry ratios, difference of angles divided by 2. So students, in one of my video I explained how to learn all the formulas. So if you want to learn, just go through with that and learn the formulas. Then this exercise is going to be very easy for you. Further, if you have any doubt, you can write in comments so that I can clear out. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 18 from exercise 3.3. Question 18, we have to prove sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y is equal to tan x minus y upon 2. So to prove this result, we will start from the left hand side. Our left hand side is sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y. We will start. So in this we need two formulas. The first formula is s minus s, that is 2cs. The meaning of this formula is sin x minus sin y is equal to 2 cos sum of angles divided by 2, then difference of angles divided by 2. The second formula which we need is c plus c, that is 2cc. So the formula is cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y divided by 2, and then cos x minus y divided by 2. So we are going to use both the formulas here. So when we use the formula here, it's going to be 2 cos sum of angles, that is x plus y upon 2, then sine difference of angles, that is x minus y upon 2, and in down 2 cos sum of angles, so x plus y upon 2, then cos difference of angles, so x minus y upon 2. Now here we will find that 2 will cancel each other, cos x plus y upon 2 and this cos x plus y 2 also will cancel each other. So we are remain with the last term, that is sine and cos. So we will write down whatever are remain here. So we are remain with sine x plus y upon 2 and cos x minus y upon 2. So sine upon cos is what? 10. So 10, here minus sign will come. So x minus y upon, that is our right hand side. So we proved that is the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence prove the question. So this question is not so tough. Simply we have to use the formulas. After using the formula, you just find that 2 and 2 will cancel each other, and this cos and cos will cancel each other. So we are remained with sin x minus y upon 2 and cos x minus y upon 2, that is tan x minus y upon 2. So I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.